That's a statement you released through your spokeswoman after Mr. Depp made the donations to the CHLA and the ACLU. Correct, Ms. Heard?
I do not recall exactly what my statement was. I don't disagree with anything in the statement, but I just simply don't recall what the statement was we released.
Is there anything inaccurate in that statement, Ms. Heard?
No.
Johnny Depp emerged the victor in his defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard following 3 days of deliberations by the jury, which also handed Amber a partial win in her countersuit. The jury found that the Aquaman star defamed Depp on all 3 counts and awarded him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Amber was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages, but no punitive damages. But those who are keen on the case will tell you that the win was down to the sheer brilliance of Depp's legal team, headed by Ben Chu and the magnificent Camille Vasquez. Here are 7 instances Johnny Depp's team showed no mercy towards dismembering Amber Heard. Number 1. The no-look show. It had been quickly noted by many online watching the trial on Amber's first day on the witness stand that Depp was avoiding looking at her at all. Throughout the trial, Depp could be seen with his head down or with his sunglasses on, and some fans thought he appeared to be doodling. Many people online speculated what his behavior might have meant. After one afternoon break during the trial, the court returned for Amber's cross-examination, where she faced questions from Depp's legal team. The cross-examination was led by Camille Vasquez. During questioning, Camille said that Depp had not looked at Amber once during the trial, which Amber confirmed. "You know why he won't look at you?" Camille said. "He told you you would never see his eyes again." A recording was played in court from a meeting in San Francisco in the summer of 2016, in which Depp tells Amber, "You will never see my eyes again." Camille asked Amber whether Depp had kept the promise made 6 years ago when the recording was taken in San Francisco. The actress responded, "As far as I know, he cannot look at me." She also told the court, "Unfortunately, all of this is real. Johnny and I live this. We lived through this. I lived through this, and I narrowly survived it, but I survived it." The punchline was when Camille told Amber Depp would never look at him, and she pretended by saying she doesn't remember that, only for the audio recording to be played for the whole world to hear. Ouch. Number 2. Why didn't you pay up? Amber cornered. During the hearing, Amber Heard admitted to not honoring her $3.5 million donation pledge to the ACLU after several claims that she did. The Rum Diary star testified that Depp suing her kept her from honoring her donation. She said yet to make the full donation because Johnny sued me for $50 million in March of 2019. She continued, "I fully intend to honor all of my pledges. I would love for him to stop suing me so I can." Later, a confrontation between Amber and Camille went viral after the pair argued over the definition of the word donate. "You still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity, isn't that right?" Camille inquired. "Incorrect," replied Amber. "I pledged the entirety." "No, Ms. Heard, that's not my question." Camille cut Amber off. She went on to clarify that she meant to donate and not pledge. "I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another. They mean the same thing," the actress said. From that point, the back and forth heated up.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another.
But I don't. Ms. Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
But both women remained restrained in their firm stance. "Ms. Heard, respectfully, that's not my question," Vasquez continued. "So as of today, you have not paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, right?" "I've not been able to fulfill those obligations yet," Amber conceded. Camille once again went on the offensive after this. "And that's because you did want something, didn't you?" Vasquez asked. "I didn't want anything, and I didn't get anything," the actress stated. Eventually, Depp's team concluded that Amber was just another gold digger who was out to chop Depp's money, and it's hard to fault them for thinking that. Number 3. Yes, you were having an affair. During a heated cross-examination, Depp's legal team grilled Amber about a late-night visit from James Franco after she filed a restraining order against Depp in 2016. Camille Vasquez seemed to suggest a possible romantic relationship between Amber and Franco, who starred together in 2008's Pineapple Express and 2015's The Adderall Diaries. Camille played surveillance elevator footage of Franco arriving at Amber's penthouse. "You changed the lock to the penthouses on May 22, 2016, the lawyer said. "I attempted to," Amber replied, referring to previous testimony about changing the locks after a fight with Depp. Camille then asked, "That's why you felt comfortable having James Franco over the evening of May 22, 2016? When Amber testified that she does not recall when specifically her former co-star visited, Camille presented footage dated May 21, 2016, past 11 p.m. at night when she knew Mr. Depp was out of town. Again, Amber was caught flat-footed with no more lies left to peddle. Number 4. Why didn't you seek medical assistance?
You testified you had a bruise across your jaw,
That is correct.
and there is not a single medical record reflecting treatment for any of those injuries. Is there, Ms. Heard?
I didn't seek treatment.
Amber was grilled over the alleged violent attack where she accused Depp of sexually assaulting her with a liquor bottle. An intense cross-examination resumed in court, with Depp's attorney questioning Amber about a violent incident that took place in Australia in early 2015. The actress previously testified that her then-husband assaulted her with a glass liquor bottle and how she lay in fear that the glass might have been broken inside of her. Amber said she remembered being still, not wanting to move, looking around the room and seeing broken bottles and broken glass. Depp's attorney tried to pick apart Amber's version of events, grilling her about the timeline of the violent incident that night. The Justice League star was also asked why there were no medical records of the injuries she claims she sustained from the attack. She told the court that she did not seek medical attention for her injuries. The court heard an audio clip of the ex-couple speaking about the incident in Australia. In the clip, Depp is heard saying he went into 5 rooms in the house to try to get away from his spouse, likening it to a break in a boxing match. So someone apparently sexually assaulted you with broken glass, but you didn't bother to seek medical help? Quite fishy, don't you think? Number 5. Did you suffer a broken nose? Amber was also grilled over her claims that Depp broke her nose after the Met Gala in 2014. Depp's lawyer saw photos showing her apparently without injuries and presented them to court. The actress testified under cross-examination by Depp's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, that "For the record, I don't know that it was broken. You should have seen how it looked under makeup." Camille then asked Amber why she had not shown photos of herself from the following night, attending Spike TV's Don Rickles' One Night Only with Depp, adding that the alleged injuries aren't visible in the photos. The photos were entered into evidence while Camille continued, "Your nose doesn't appear to be injured in any of these pictures. I'm wearing makeup, and makeup covers up swelling, right?" Amber answered. And not even the jury was convinced by her answers. How on earth would you cover a broken nose with makeup? Sounds like a broken record. Number 6. Who is really the victim of abuse? Depp's attorneys grilled Amber over an audio recording where she is heard pushing her ex-husband to tell the world that he was a victim of domestic abuse.
You can please tell people that it was a fair fight and see what the jury and judge think. Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence, and
Yes.
it's a fair fight. And see how many people believe or side with you.
Under cross-examination, Depp's attorneys played audio of Amber telling the Pirates of the Caribbean star, "Tell them, I, Johnny Depp, I'm a victim of domestic abuse, and see how many people believe or side with you." The lawyers grilled Amber about her comments, asking if she didn't believe her husband would tell the world that he was a victim. The actress agreed that she wouldn't believe he would claim to be a victim because he was the one who beat her up. When pressed that she was referring to Depp not coming forward as a male victim of abuse, the actress denied that she was referring to his gender. At the end of it all, the jury was convinced that Amber did not only defame Depp, but also abused him verbally, physically, and psychologically. Number 7. So you lied under oath?
Just in my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
During his 4 days on the witness stand, Depp denied ever striking Amber and claimed that she was the one who was frequently violent. Is it your testimony under oath that you never struck Mr. Depp as the initial aggressor? Depp's lawyer Camille Vasquez asked Amber during one cross-examination session. "I tried to defend myself when I could," Amber answered, "but it was after years of not defending myself. There are many times I had to use my body to defend myself, and that included swinging wherever I could if it meant I could get away, absolutely," the actress clarified. If it meant the difference between a sore face and a broken nose. In one audio recording played for the jury, Amber acknowledged starting a physical fight with Depp on one occasion, but insisted that she did not punch him. "You're fine. I did not hurt you," she said in the recording. "You are such a baby. Again, Camille was able to expose Amber for saying one thing and meaning the other, thus squashed her already slim chances of winning the trial. What impressed you most about Johnny Depp's lawyers? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll continue to bring you updates on the aftermath of this landmark ruling, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't get to miss any of them.